Greetings from Sarasota. This is Mike Mongelli with MarineMax of Sarasota. The brief walkthrough of the all-new 2015 350 Outrage. Here's an outside shot with this extended sunshade at the bow. As you can see, the boat has beautiful lines. As we approach the stern of the boat, you see it's got the all-new 300 Verados in white, powered by joystick. As we step on the back of the boat, you'll see the stern, plenty of space for fishing and entertainment with the fold-down seating at the rear. And on the port side, you'll see the dive door, which is extremely popular for this model. Behind the helm seat, you will see this station, plenty of storage for fish, tackle, and as you lift up, you'll see your live well, sink, as well as storage. Moving to the helm, you can see Simrad electronics, flush mounted, plenty of room for another screen if needed. Your joystick control to the left of the steering wheel. Your bolster seating, each individual, triple seats here at the helm with flip up footrest. Moving to the starboard side of the boat, as you can see, the head area extremely plush with sink, really beautiful head. As you can see, the door, the head door is beautifully crafted with beautiful hardware, very solid door. Moving to the front, the bow of the boat, plenty of comfortable seating, plenty of casting room, all removable cushion. The headrest displayed here, flip up, flip down for comfort.